This is a vintage 1980, say around 1990s phaser. You notice that at one time these were actually sold as rechargeables. If you look inside here, you'll see some little plugs. And they actually plugged into something where it can be recharged. Bad idea. When the battery went dead, you couldn't get to it. So we've taken the body, updated it. We'll switch in the back. Turn it on. This is pretty bright. You can see that lights up. It's pretty bright there. Underneath it is a trigger. We replaced the original trigger. You can turn it off. Sounds okay for the time. This is the acrylic right here. It's not black. Some were black, some weren't. This is aluminum. That's aluminum. This is an aluminum type of screen. This is brass. And this is also aluminum. And this is a machined acrylic. Before, the other one was like a resin and it turned yellow. Got rid of it. So, access to the battery. As simple as that. Pop it out. Put it in. Battery compartment back on. Screw back in, and or simply that. You can see, like I said, although vintage, it's nice. The body is made of like a fiberglass or a urethane, I'm not too sure, but we clear coated it. We took care to take the old electronics out of it, except for the board. Kept that in there. It's not exactly authentic, but it sounds pretty good. But there it is.